Introducing Bluebell, the innovative smart monitor for both baby and you. Bluebell is always on, silently monitoring your baby's well-being. The parent wristband, baby monitor and smart hub link up to the mobile app. Bluebell uses icons, intuitive colors and vibrations to show you how your baby's feeling. You can even use the mobile app to listen and speak to your baby.
Daddy's coming.
You can use it to monitor and support your well-being too. You can track nappy changes, sleep patterns and feeds to create a healthy routine for your baby. You can have multiple users, allowing you to share your baby's care with loved ones. You can create a calm sleeping environment for your baby with Bluebell's remotely controlled nightlight, white noise and lullabies.